So what this system does is it checks for 100 unique problems that could go wrong with the computer. Here we have a log of everything, all of the tests that I have on the computers that I'm managing. So it gives me a warning if a time machine backup isn't happening properly. In this case, it's checking the hard drive of all of the computers that I have under management. I see that there's a warning here that one of the hard drives that I have under management is failing. I actually had the chance to call the client and ask her how her system was performing, and she didn't seem to notice any problems. Meanwhile, her hard drive is failing, so I had a chance to go in remotely and fix her hard drive before she even noticed that there was a problem. So this monitoring client is very effective in giving the heads up if there's anything amiss in the computer system whatsoever. And with the GoToAssist program that I have access to, I can remotely go in and address those problems immediately before a support ticket is even needed. My name is Sarah Jepp, and I am an Apple Certified Support Professional. I'm a part of the Apple Consultants Network, which verifies that we have a certain level of insurance competency and a completely clean background check. I wanted to introduce you to the monitoring client that I use, which is powered by Citrix. You may be familiar with Citrix from their products GoToMeeting and GoToAssist. In this session, I'm going to be using GoToAssist, which enables me to access a computer while through a Wi-Fi connection securely. So here I have an iMac that I have remote access set up on. So you can see here that it explains that the screen is being shared. So I can actually go into this computer and I can look at all the functions of the computer. I can also run diagnostics on the computer. I will also get a message if there's anything going on with the computer that needs to be addressed, such as a time machine backup not working, the presence of malware, hard disk failures, or any other of 100 different problems that could come up. So here I am controlling the computer on the other side of my connection, and I can perform system maintenance, I can do troubleshooting, and I can also send and receive files from the computer. So I can actually use one of my professional hard disk repair tools, for example, or a malware removal tool, and run that utility on the computer in a remote way. So whether this computer is in Los Angeles or whether it's in New York, I can access all of the functions of the computer remotely. In addition to that, it provides a screen recording of what I'm doing. In the Platinum package, there are 5 hours of remote support included. So after 5 hours, there's a discounted rate hourly, but I anticipate being able to take care of up to 10 computers with this 5-hour package. So as you can see, I can remotely control the computer and just go ahead and see what's going on with this computer in the system library, for example, and functions that would be needed for computer maintenance only. This would allow me to look at all of the files, but since the screen is being recorded, you have that added security that no files are being inappropriately breached. And I can take a look at the files in the library, again run utilities, and do system maintenance completely in a controlled and secure environment.